Hello and welcome to MIDAS Tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of MIDAS. Now this is what your login screen should look like, and you'll see the space here to enter your email address and also your password. Now bear in mind passwords are case sensitive. Beneath that there may be some other options. Here you can see there's a language selector. If we wish to log in and use MIDAS in a different language we can. We can also change the visual theme. And there may be an additional drop-down list if we have multiple databases configured, which will allow us to choose which database we wish to log into. But as we only have one database set up here, that option isn't available. You'll also see there's a Remember Me box here. And if I select that, my browser will remember the credentials I've entered for the next time I visit. If you're using a shared computer, we advise that you don't select this box. And administrators can actually disable this box completely if they'd rather nobody within your organisation has this option. The auto login box adjacent to the Remember Me option, if selected, will automatically log you in every time you open your MIDAS system. Again, we don't recommend this for shared computers or devices. So when you're ready to log in, you simply then click Log In. And you're then logged into your MIDAS system. You'll see beneath the main date here, it shows you who you're logged in as. And if we wish to log out, we can simply close our browser or click the Log Out link. It will ask us for confirmation, and if we select yes, we're returned to the login screen with a message that we've logged out. Now for an additional layer of security, MIDAS also supports two-factor authentication. Now how this works is you log in with your email address and password, and when you do, MIDAS will automatically email you a 6-digit code. So if I click login, MIDAS has emailed me a code and asked me to input it here. Now this means that even if somebody knows or discovers your MIDAS credentials, they still won't be able to log into your account without also having this separate authorization code which is sent to your email address. So again, for this reason, it's really important that the password you choose for MIDAS is different to the password you use for your own email account. If the password's the same for both, it kind of defeats the point of having two-factor authentication. So I've received an email now with the code in, so if I put the code in, it will be different each time you log in. We've then logged into MIDAS. As a further security measure within MIDAS, you'll automatically be logged out after a certain period of inactivity. Finally, if you're running a self-hosted edition of MIDAS, which is licensed for an unlimited number of users, MIDAS can integrate with your organisation's Active Directory to provide single sign-on. Once configured and enabled, your users simply need to open their browser, navigate to the URL of your MIDAS system, and they will automatically be logged on with their credentials, completely bypassing this login screen. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and do be sure to check out some of our other tutorials online.